Hello and good Abend, liebe Freunde. Welcome to Falowen Radio. It is late and we learn some chill A1 Deutsch tonight. I'm Paul. Whisper. Heute sprechen wir über Gesundheit, health. First, a warm shout out to our sponsor www.falowen.app, a wonderful place to learn German, powered by Learn Language Education Academy. Now, let's take our first call.
Hi, Paul. I'm Sarah from New York. I woke up today and feel terrible. How do I say I am sick in German?
Hello, Sarah. We say ich bin krank. Can you try it?
Oh, ich bin krank? And my head hurts so much. What is head?
Head is der Kopf. You can say ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Or you use the verb wehtun and say mein Kopf tut weh.
Okay. Mein Kopf tut weh. That is, much easier. Danke, Paul.
Bitte, Sarah. Good Besserung. Let's talk to our next caller. Liam from Dublin?
Hello, Paul. I'm not feeling great either. My stomach hurts. How do I say that?
Oh no, Liam. Stomach is der Bauch. Also, you say ich habe Bauchschmerzen oder mein Bauch tut weh.
Okay, mein Bauch tut weh. Yes, that's it. Should I see a doctor? What was that word again?
Yes, der Arzt is doctor. Or you go to the Apotheker, the pharmacy, to buy medicine.
Yes, the Apotheker. I'll go there. Thank you, Paul.
Perfect, Liam. To wish you well, we say gute Besserung.
Gute Besserung. Thank you, mate. Goodbye.
Danke, Liam. And to everyone listening tonight, stay healthy, bleibt gesund and gute Besserung. Tschüss.